Yo, what's up, guys? Continuing my winning streak. Let's just go over the confluences from the trade that I took yesterday. So, coming into market open, my bias was bullish clearly because I wanted this cluster of low resistance highs here to be swept. I wanted to see market to take out these low resistance highs right here. I also spotted these low resistance lows right here, relatively equal also. So I kept that in mind, but we were overall in a bullish order flow, so we were in an uptrend, and I definitely wanted to see that market will take out eventually these low resistance highs up here. This was also the all-time high from Nasdaq, by the way. So yeah, I wanted to see market take out these highs, so my bias was bullish. With that in my head, I was just waiting for a manipulation to the downside after market opened. I marked out these lows right here. These were initially 50-minute lows and hourly lows. So yeah, I will show it to you again. So as you can see, this was an hourly low right here, and above that we had the 15-minute low right here. So yeah, market opened, and yeah, we saw the manipulation to the downside immediately, pushed the downside, nice clean liquidity sweep. From there on, scaled down to the 1 minute, see how market is behaving, how is it reacting off of these key levels. And yeah, as you can see, after we took out all these liquidities down here that I marked out, market was moving sideways until initially we broke structure to the upside with this blue candle right here. And additionally, we inversed this bearish fair value gap. So this was enough confluence for me. I entered based off of the liquidity sweep and the breakout structure and the inverse fair value gap and my bullish bias. So my first TP was this hourly high up here. Second take profit was this second hourly high up here. And let me just go down to the 1 minute again. So my initial trade idea was to just trade like that, but after we hit my second TP, I saw that we are consolidating, and yeah, I still had in the back of my head that we had also these equal 15-minute lows resting still underneath here. These ones, I think these were 15-minute and hourly lows. So I was like, maybe this liquidity sweep can also be now a point of return after we hit my first take profit off of these hourly highs up here. So I was just like making it very, very safe. I was playing it safe yesterday. So after I saw that my first take profit got hit and we just consolidated the entire time, yeah, I closed my position completely up here. Which is unfortunate, because if I only would have closed half of my position as planned and then moved my stops to break even, I wouldn't even get stopped out at break even. And yeah, just take a look where the market, let's go on the 5 minute to show you where the market just went. Like, damn. Damn. Yeah, new all-time high yesterday on the Nasdaq. So could have been a crazy trade, but I was playing it safe, as I said, and I closed my entire position on my first take profit because I thought maybe market is now moving and take out these liquidities right here. Nevertheless, was a nice win, continuing my winning streak for the week, for the past few days actually, like crazy trades. Let's see if I will trade today on Friday, but we have no news today, so I will probably take a trade. Let's see how the price action is, because so far we're only consolidating here at the new time, at the oh my goodness, at the all-time high range. So let's see what price will give us today. But this was the trade recap yesterday, from yesterday's trade. Nothing special, just a sweep and 1 minute confluences. Another trade that would also be possible, I wanted to show you this right here. So if these confluences on the 1 minute wouldn't be enough for you, the 1 minute inverse fair value gap and the 1 minute breakout structure. If this wasn't enough for you, you could also draw in this fair value gap right here. Let me make that a bit better. This fair value gap right here, which was initially also a 5 minute fair value gap. As you can see right here. So this is also a huge 5 minute fair value gap. And additionally, from this swing high to this swing low, we took out equilibrium, wicked into this 5 minute fair value gap, and I will show you now a possible second entry if you wanted to wait for further confluences. So we would have taken out the equilibrium, we respect these 5 minute fair value gaps, 1 minute fair value gaps, and then get a breakout structure to the upside, and there you go. Stops maybe underneath the fair value gap, and then just target these highs also, and maybe leave a runner. So yeah, as you can see, this would have been also a possible entry yesterday, although I took the more riskier entry right here. So yeah, this was my trade from yesterday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something. So definitely a nice setup to take a long entry. That's it from me for today. I hope you guys stay healthy. Peace out.